Hello everybody. For this lesson, which is on our topic, we are going to be looking at the different parts of a plant. Just to remind us, I know that we learnt quite a bit about this last week, but as a reminder, I've recorded this lesson for you today to remind us of the parts of a plant before we do our activity. So let's have a look. So the parts of a plant. So plants have different parts to them, just like we do. So we have different body parts, such as arms, legs, and a mouth. And a plant has different parts too, and each part does a different job. So you might remember some of these parts, like I said, because we did learn this last week. So the roots of a plant anchor the plant to the ground. Without roots, a plant would fall over. Roots also take in nutrients and water from the soil. So can you see where the roots are on this plant in the picture? See if you can point them out. If you got that right, you can see the roots are under the ground. So they are the bit that holds the plant into the ground so that it doesn't fall over. And that's the bit that helps the plant to feed from the soil. So a plant also has a stem. So the stem helps the plant to stay upright. So it's the long, thin bit in the middle. It carries water and food up from the roots. So the roots are the bit that grow under the soil, and then the stem is there to carry the water and the nutrients all the way up to the flower at the top. So can you, on this picture, spot where the stem is? See if you can point it out. Let's see if you're right. This part here is the stem. So like I just said, it's the long, thin bit in the middle that leads up to the flower from the roots. So a plant also has leaves. So leaves are very important as they make food for the plants. So leaves are made to catch the sunlight, so the light from the sun, because plants need sunlight to make food. Leaves come in all different sizes and shapes. So leaves come in also in lots of different colours. So can you see where the leaves are on this beanstalk? They're already pointed out for you, but there's lots of them on this beanstalk. So flowers. Flowers look pretty and come in lots of different colours. They also smell lovely. These colours and smells are important because they attract the bees, the birds and the butterflies. The bees, the birds and the butterflies help the plant to produce seeds and fruit. So like we learnt last week, the seeds are the bit that are inside the middle of the flower. They drop down so that more flowers can grow. So the seeds drop down into the soil, they get trodden in or drop into the soil, and then new flowers can grow from those seeds. So the bees, the birds and the butterflies help those plants to produce those seeds so that they can reflower from the ground. So that is your reminder for the different parts of a plant. So now you're going to go back to your team's assignment and complete your activity following on from this. So I hope you all enjoy that, and good luck, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.